My name is Lily James, and my project is on algae as a biofuel. Background: algae is defined as a diverse group of photosynthetic organisms and is classified under the Protista kingdom, and similar to other protists, is a single-celled organism. How is algae grown? Algae is capable of growing in both freshwater and saltwater and reproduces using photosynthesis. The algae takes in carbon dioxide and sunlight to convert to energy capable of reproducing. According to Michael Hannon, algae can produce biomass very rapidly, which means it can spread at a very fast rate. How is algae fuel produced? When the fatty acids of algae are removed, its chemical profile is not different from chemical mixes found in crude oil. Once the fatty acids are removed, enzyme production changes the oil. The new oil is then transesterified as diesel. Algae can even be used as an increaser for hydrogen gas. The process occurs via photosynthesis. The algae decreases the potential for photosynthesis by a reaction catalyzed by a hydrogenase. Developmental status. Though algae is a biofuel, it has not yet reached a commercial stage. In order to compete with the other sources of alternative fuel, algae biofuel will need to sell at a price of around 25 cents per kilogram. Even though the algae biofuel is still in development, the studies in lab prove that algae is a useful biofuel source. Impact. The economical impact of algae. According to the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, the production of fuels from microalgae has received renewed interest. The renewed interest is due to the high yields in both fuel and biomass compared to other fuel sources. These high yields are found by using the techno-economic analysis. The carbon footprint impact. Algae biofuel is eco-friendly and can be used to minimize or eliminate environmental problems. Algae can even recycle carbon dioxide produced to bioenergy. This means that the carbon footprint or amount of greenhouse gases will reduce. Less carbon dioxide means a lower carbon footprint. Public outreach regarding algae. In May of 2020, a survey was taken to see what people thought about algae as a biofuel. The majority of people are somewhat open to the idea of a genetically engineered algae as a biofuel. However, there is still concern about the fuel source. Furthermore, when asked in the same survey, people stated that they would not buy algae-produced biofuel over other well-known fuels. Analysis. In the near future, algae should become a reliable source for biofuel. Algae is capable of fast growth and has proven that it can effectively reduce the carbon footprint. Future steps to ensure algae becomes a biofuel include developing the biofuel, mass production of the algae biofuel, and selling the algae biofuel. Plan of action. In 2008, the production of algae was a costly event needing around 19 million barrels of oil and 30 million acres of land to mass produce. Even the necessary technology required to ensure algae can be produced is expensive. However, in February of this year, the Department of Energy, or DOE, announced $25.5 million in funding. This funding will greatly reduce the cost of production for algae.